It is really good. The workshop has been, very informative and very interactive also. So
Okay.
I'm Neetu Nair. I'm actually working with the Darwin Box implementation team. It is actually a HRI's platform, and I'm working as a team lead. Initially, when I heard servant leadership, and I actually went through what and tried to understand what servant leadership is, I think after coming to the workshop, I could clearly understand how a servant leader should be, able to enable or empower others. And I could understand the essence of servant leadership, which is basically you invest in another person and to make the other person better and wiser than yourself. I'm actually hearing, I mean, I heard it before from UST itself. And so I wanted to understand more about it. So that is the main reason why I had come for the workshop. Okay, one thing I would like to say at this point is, the first imperative, which was vision. We spoke about conceptualization and foresight. So once, when I saw the MSLA report, I was not able to clearly distinguish between these two. But then once the workshop was over, I was clearly able to understand, the difference, what conceptualization is, which is basically thinking big, and foresight is taking into consideration your past experiences, aligning with your present, and looking forward to the future. So that was an understanding which I got after the workshop. Okay. So I would say, like, there are a lot of takeaways from the workshop based on the framework itself. So I would say, like, with respect to the team or communication with the team, how you can influence the team, make them understand the importance of a particular way of working, and how that can contribute to the organization. I think that is very important. Yes, I would be. I was actually thinking about,
Okay.
like I should be bringing my team also so that they'll also understand the importance.